All right, English 2 team. This quick video is going to help you fix an issue that I know my students are having, and perhaps your students are having the same issue. I received quite a few emails today of students saying that they're getting this message, this content item cannot be rendered, and it is in the Unit 2 review. And so that I had to dig into this and see what was going on, but it looks like whenever our course transferred from the Golden course into our courses, some of the links that were in the review units got broken. For whatever reason, I'm not really sure why, but it's going to require us fixing them manually, which it's not a difficult process, but it is going to be a somewhat tedious process. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to fix, if your students are getting these kind of messages, this item cannot be rendered, how to fix this issue. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring your course up on two different tabs, and either you can split your screen like I have done here, or put one of them on one screen and another one on the other screen, because you're going to be copying and pasting back and forth between these two. So the first thing, we're just going to kind of walk through the Unit 2 review, but I will tell you, the more I dug into this, it's happening in the Unit 3, 4, 5, and I believe in the Unit 6 review. It's something to do with the quick checks that I copied the link and put them into the review, so they see these modules already earlier in the unit. And so the goal was for them to just, review and go over those. And so I copied the link and put it into like a submodule, and when it came over with the Golden course, for some reason I think the link got broken, and so this is just going to repair those and make them operational for the students. So the first thing, in one of your tabs, you're going to go to the content section and go to the Unit 2 test review. Okay, so once we're at the Unit 2.12 unit review, theme and characters, we're going to click on the review for Unit 2 test. And the problem seems to be with these ones that are labeled quick check, review these concepts from 2.01, and then it'll be a link for the students. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go and find these and copy the correct link back into this little submodule. So on your other screen, where you have your other course pulled up, your duplicate course pulled up, we're going to go into Unit 2.01 and we're going to find this quick check and we're going to bring that link over. Okay, so we're looking for in 2.01, this workshop. We're going to click on that. And most of the time, these quick checks are in the Get Ready section. And so I'm going to scroll down and I see I have my quick check here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then up here in the address bar, I'm just going to copy this whole address, this web address, and I'm going to come back over here into my unit review, and I'm going to edit this link for 2.01 quick check. And I'm going to paste in and click Control A and then Control V, and I'm going to paste in the link I took from over here, and then click Update. Then this will take you back to, it's going to take you to that part of the course, so you'll have to kind of go back and forth to that review while you're doing this. So I'm going to click on this again, Review for Unit 2 Test, and I'm going to find my next quick link. So I went from 2.02, so 2.06 is going to be my next quick link that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go back on this side over here, and I'm going to go find that link and then copy and paste it back into the review. Again, I apologize for whatever reason. When the course transferred, these links apparently did not transfer over, which is why we're having to do this. So I'm going to go to 2.06, and again, that quick check is right here in the Get Ready section, and I'm going to click on that. We're going to copy, so Control C, and then we're going to come over here, pull the arrow down, edit link, Control A, Control V, update, and that one should be good. And then we're going to continue doing this through the whole review for Unit 2. There's a couple of different ones. We've got Quick Check 2.09, 2.011. Oops, sorry. So there's really only 2.09 and 2.11, but you will need to go through this with your Unit 3 test review for sure, and that is I believe it's 3.13. So when you go in here, you'll see you've got a couple of those quick checks as well, 3.01, 3.02, 3.07, 3.08 for Unit 3. For the review in Unit 4, you have 4.01, 4.02, 4.06, and that's it. In Unit 5 test review, you have 5.01, 5.02, and 5.05 that will need to be updated. And then in your Unit 6 test review, the quick check from 6.02, that would be the only one that you have to update in Unit 6. So again, I apologize. I don't know what happened when the Golden course came over to our courses that caused these to break, but this is the easiest fix that I see for this. If you have any questions or need help with it, just let me know.